Hello, good morning everyone. Hello, my name is Farhan Anwaruddin. I'm studies in Udinus or University Dianuswantoro in uh, Semarang, Central Java in Indonesia. I'm study in Udinus. Apa namanya? I'm study in Udinus in Prodi Ilmu Komunikasi. Yes, my name in Udinus 15 2018 01 to 04. I will make a video to complete the assignment as a midterm exam for the public speaking subject Mr. Heri Pamungkas. The last lecture I will make a video about think global act local with the theme of fashion history in Indonesia. I will tell a little about the history fashion in Indonesia. Fashion, without realizing it, has been a part of life since time immemorial. The selection of clothes, accessories, and more makes a fashion attractive. What do you think about the fashion trend in Indonesia from time to time? 1920 to 30. This year Indonesia was still under Dutch rule. Therefore, therefore there, there are several differences in the dress code of the natives and the Dutch use. Usually, indigenous people wear a kebaya, complete with the cloth and a scarf that is long. Its essence at time it was essential to traditional fabric that were used as daily clothes by the Indonesia people at the time. 1950 year. The Indonesia fashion trend has begun to move since the appreciation of senior designer Peter Shih to the Indonesian fashion world. This year Indonesia is heavily influenced by world fashion. At this time, the new look style has permeated everywhere, including in Indonesia. The design are mostly a line stripe, making the look edgy. In 50 sec if in 50 seconds, man fashion was famous for clothing that was more urban but still fashionable. Fashion at the time was built by Elvis Presley song the nuances of rock and roll. Long fashion pant, tight haircut at the bottom, t-shirt plus a leather jacket. Well, for women fashion, usually a powder skirt or skirt pants are typical, combined with jacket fashion in the 15th. The 16th second, the, six, the 16th year, for men reset in the first fashionable style of all time. It's called the Beatle era because this fashion was influenced by the legend of the band. Their eccentric mushroom hair is one of the hallmark of the Beatles. Apart from that, we did Nichols trousers were tapered and hanging above the ankle, whereas in the 70, 70s, it were very infected of hippies and retro. In this fashion era, it became expressed of freely as possible. For example, clothes that are weekly 1980 year, Indonesia began to show significant development. Apart from the fact that more and more designers have emerged, magazine and film in Indonesia are also in full swing. Unlike the fashion of the 70 and 80 in the 90, 90 year, fashion was known or grounds. The fashion is more famous for its messy, big t-shirt, flannel shirt, and of course faded jeans. There are also styles in the style of metal kits from the same Aquas Metallica. In 2000 year, Indonesia first trend developed at this time. Many people have tried exploring different trends and style. At the beginning of this year, it was still influenced by 190. 2010, of course, there is not to ask about the fashion trend at this time. Many innovations have sprung up, like West Wardrobe. Various brands, especially local brands owned by Indonesia. Fashion is no longer seen as something that is not promised in this present, quite the opposite. Lately, many social provide interesting information about world fashion in Indonesia, the development of the fashion world that is taking a part in Indonesia. This is supported by various sites, both from the point of view of local designer who are now increased potential. The parties who play an important role in influencing development of the fashion world are the Association of Indonesia Fashion Entrepreneurs and Designers (APPMA), actor besides designer and entrepreneur in Indonesia. The type of fashion that is fastest in the development of the fashion world with the fastest, because clothes can with their style faster and clothes because uh, jeans jacket, colorful outfit, uh, baju kodok. Yes, the following is what explained a little about the development of fashion in Indonesia. Thank you for the participation. Apologize if there is a word wrong. In fact, I'm, I'm an ordinary human being. The perfection only belong to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. I'm sorry.